landslide brought me down. Oh, mirror in the sky, what is love? Can I try something? Here's the echo. What's that? Because I thought it was really rock and roll. I want to try it. That's the key I've been doing it in. I want to try the original key. What's the original? Oh, this is my key. I took my love and I took it down. No, that's lower, right? So can we do it like one fret higher? Hold on. This is like a live rehearsal. This is like a super live rehearsal right there.
Try a couple things. These rock and rollers, you like this.
Okay, yeah, I can do this. This is like 2 steps higher, or 1 step?
2 frets higher.
Yeah, 1 step. It's 1 whole step higher than the original. Alright, let's try this.
Guitar players, we can change keys.
Yeah. It's so funny, he plays in a Slayer tribute band, and he's playing this little da-da-da-da-da song that shows how amazing he is. Right? You should be able to cover all bases, right? You do that.
I regularly hit first, second, third, and home run.
Well, regularly or rarely? I've seen you hit rarely, dude. No, I've seen you hit rarely. I took my love and I took it down. Climbed the mountain and I turned around. And then I saw my reflection in a snow-covered hill. Well, the landslide brought me down. Oh, mirror in the sky, what is love? Can a child within my heart rise above? Can I sail through all the changing ocean tide? Can I handle the seasons of my life? I don't know. That was so flat. I've been afraid of changing, 'cause I've built my life around you. But time makes you older. Children get older. I'm getting older too. Yeah. We just made it up as we ran along. Lemon cook, everybody. We just thought about it last night after rehearsal. I was like, dude, can you play Landslide? I was like, yeah. I was like, let's do it tomorrow night. But yeah, so
Love it.
so you